Hi Andy, thanks very much for the email. Now I'm away working at the moment and I did do some looking up on this Beko cooker you've got. You've got a BDI6C55 double oven. You say you've changed the element, it's working for 5 minutes, but now you've noticed that it's not heating in the oven. The grill's working and the induction hob's working. Firstly, I've managed to get you the technical information on this cooker, and I'm not sure, looking at the wiring diagram, if it's a one that runs on a circuit board or you've got the mechanical selector switch. But I've put everything on the page for you in the description on this video. I'm just doing video answers to everyone at the moment because I'm traveling all over Europe and I'm down in North Africa at the moment. The wiring diagram is showing a selector switch. Now, you may have a problem with the selector switch, but the first thing you need to check is, one, make sure you haven't accidentally knocked the cooker onto auto settings. In other words, it's on the time setting. That means that the oven would not be working. Once you've got it onto manual, you need to check that you've got voltage on the element. You can use a multimeter for this, and at the back of the cooker, just test the two connections to the element once the thermostat's turned on and the selector switch is turned to the correct setting to see if you've got voltage. If you've got no voltage, then the problem lies elsewhere. If you have got voltage, that means you may have fitted a duff element. But if you've got a selector switch, that might be the problem. Or if it is the circuit board type, you may have a faulty relay on the circuit board, and that's going to be more difficult to work out what the problem is. I have done some videos on the channel to assist you with things like that, but the most important thing that I've done here is I've managed to get you the wiring diagram and the workshop manual on this cooker, and the link to that is in the description below. The description of your fault is very vague and you haven't told me what you've tested or what you've done. All you've said is you've replaced the element. So I can only assume that it's either a faulty element, your timer is on automatic, or you've either got a faulty selector switch or possibly a faulty circuit board if it is the newer type. Anyway, everything's in the description for you. Now, I'm sorry I can't ring you or anything because I'm in North Africa at the moment. I had to get out of Europe after 3 months in Europe touring the domestic appliance factories, and I'm having a look at the appliance industry here in North Africa. So I hope all this information helps you. The link is in the description. And I've come out on the bike to do some FAQs, answering customers' questions today in nice locations. And I'm about 3 hours drive down from a place called Agadir in northern Morocco. And I've come down and I'm heading to the Western Sahara, and then I'll be traipsing up to the Atlas Mountains over the course of the next couple of months. I'm hopefully going down to Western Sahara and also into Mauritania, but that all depends on permits. Anyway, you've had a quick look at the location. If you want to follow any of the videos that I'm doing on appliances all over Europe, you will find a playlist. I hope all this helps you. Good luck with your repair, and if you need any further assistance, feel free to contact us. I am answering emails, as you can see.